with the final video for the Dark Crystal installation. By now you've seen my intro video, you've seen my makeup, you've seen the process I went through sculpting Aughra's beautifully ugly face. And so this is the last one, it's the wig video. Now I don't have a proper head to have my wig on. I'm literally gonna have my wig leaning on just this like really awesomely fluffy pillow I have. And I don't really know what I'm doing, but seeing as this is my first real time like properly styling a wig, I won't even say proper because again, I don't know what I'm doing. I thought I would take you along for my journey because yeah, it's cool to post when you really know something really well and you can share your knowledge, but sometimes it's also nice to see the trial and error and how you eventually get to the point of knowing what you're doing. So here is my first trial and error for styling a wig. Hopefully it doesn't go disastrous. Thank you for watching. So I know I said thank you for watching. Yeah, that sounded kind of final, like we're about to get started, but quick thing before we do get started, double check the kind of wig you have. So the wig I have is a lace front, and it is also a heat safe wig. Make sure that your wig is heat safe before you put tools on it, because ones that aren't, a lot of synthetic wigs might melt to the heat tool. And also look at what the temperatures are, because heat safe wigs will usually tell you what temperature they can handle and how high of heat you can go to. But yeah, just make sure that you're getting the right kind of wig. And if it's synthetic, there are other ways to style synthetic ones without heat. You can probably YouTube or Google how to do that. I don't know. But yeah, this is a heat safe wig, so it is safe to apply heating tools with. I made sure of that before purchasing it. So that is something you do need to be aware of before you file wigs and stuff. Let's get to it. All right, it's a whole other day altogether. I'm on like day 3 of working on this wig. I was gonna try to do more of a tutorial, slash walkthrough, but I'm just gonna do a talk through because I don't have a proper head, obviously, as you've already seen, to pin the wig to, so it makes it hard to work on. And it's just been trial and error. So I'm going to show you where I'm at right now. I'm not done yet, but last night, oh my gosh, let me find a middle ground. Last night I was up late finishing curling it. So these are what the curls look like. As I showed you earlier in the video, I took a pencil, wrapped the hair around, and then crimped it with the straightener to get these really tight kind of ringlet curls. And then I have to go through and separate all of them, which looks like this. But this is way like poofy and clown wig like, which is not quite how Aughra is. So as a trial, where's the spot? I know it's somewhere. Here. So as a trial, I kind of had gone through and straightened. So as a trial, I kind of gone through with the straightener and just kind of slightly stretched out that curl, and this is a better length and more accurate to Aughra's hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish separating the curls and then go through and strategically do this. And I will show you what it looks like after. So here's the preliminary round of I ran my fingers through all the curls to separate them and then took my small little bang straightener to try to flatten it out a bit, because Aughra has like poofy hair, and not this much poof. So I'm going to pull out my big boy straightener and do another pass of trying to get volume under control. And I'll show you what it looks like then, and then I'm going to do some airbrushing in terms of color. All right, so this is a little more under control. It's still more poof than I want. We'll see. I am going to throw in, I'm going to pull up a picture. It's pretty Aughra-like. She also does have these like braids. Kind of come from the back, so I'm going to split this. See, it's not as bad too when I don't have it all forward. Anyway, I'm going to split this so that I can create braids. Let me get elastics. I tied my hair. My own hair's out of the way. Let's kind of split this. All right, so now I'm just trying to figure out, it's a sizable braid. So probably this much maybe. It's not forward though. So. Alright, I think maybe this much. Right, let's brush it. It's gonna be an hour and a half, but you know. So when I do airbrush the wig, braids look a little darker to me, and the underneath of the hair has some darkness. The top is really, really white, so I'm gonna have to airbrush these roots. Because this ombre wig is the best I could find for what I wanted at an affordable price. Alright, forgive my lack of makeup, and my hands are a total mess. I just finished pre-painting the Aughra prosthetic that you will have already seen the sculpting video for. Anywho, I just want to show you guys the end results of the wig. So I airbrushed it. I feel like I could have airbrushed it a little more, but I airbrushed the roots, which are black, super, super black. And then I also airbrushed the braids, because her braids are ever so slightly darker than the rest of the hair, but not by a lot. So here's kind of what we have, what we're working with. It's still maybe a little poofy, but we'll see. I think maybe once the horns are on and the prosthetic, it will probably look better. I just got so excited. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this mini series, because I know this video is the one that's going up last. Thank you for watching.